Did you get the shoe for Livy? You're such a good sister. You can do it, Julie. You can do it. Good girl. Such a big girl now. Be careful. Bumble. And we're ready to do some major fireworks. Yeah, Apple. No, I don't do Android.
Which one is it?
No, it's just the 6. I never do the new one that comes out because that's a waste of money.
My friend has a...
I got you, Mom. I got you.
You gotta keep going. Looks like it did to me.
Oh, well.
Joe, you want some ammo now?
Hey, hold it.
I didn't throw it. Look, they're not lighting like all the way.
A year again, we are back again. Justin's back with us. He's back again. As we did last year, we're doing our fireworks. Only this time, we're not gonna burn my hand. We took better precautions this year. No experiments for Mom. We're gonna do some new ones, some ones that we did last year. And we do have a lot more people here this year. Everybody say hi, YouTube.
Hey guys, hi YouTube. Get me on YouTube. I want to be on YouTube. Hi YouTube. Hi.
I'm scared to pop these in my
What about
hand.
me? Hi.
Say hi.
Hello.
This is Aiden 2.0. Julie is still a bit scared of the fireworks. Aiden got over that last year's fiasco.
It's in the back, there's Mania, and winners Mania in the back, and winners aren't born, they're built.
There you go.
Got stuck on the guy's lights.
That's not good.
I know.
And this is Blaine. He's actually one of my neighbors here, and he's gonna help me because we have way more kids than last year. Then it's when then like we got way more this year.
What's up, YouTube?
I don't think I will be able to get Julie out of the house. Physically, I'm not doing well. The weather here has been insane in San Antonio. Like, it's the hottest it's ever been. It was 80 degrees yesterday. Today is December 30th, and we're just having a little bit of fun with the neighborhood kids. Blast, and let's get to it. Let's see if we can just not light anything on fire.
You ready?
Go ahead.
I have to do these last two.
Run! Oh. You have same here.
Come on, suck at this.
Whoa, cone. So this is a new one this year. Joey, are you ready? Justin, are you ready to light?
Ready?
Ready.
Scared.
Don't be scared. Just light it and run. Go, run. There we go.
Some feeling comes to my door, the whole world turns. One down bar across the railroad track, I got a table for two way in the back.